A New York automaker unveils a no-frills stripped-down electric truck with an eye-catching price.
I hope this gets Tesla, Ford, Rivian all thinking about how they could make their electric trucks more affordable and what details they can prioritize and what features they can leave out once they see the success of these all-electric mini trucks.
The biggest problem with today's automotive market? Prices are skyrocketing, affordable vehicles are vanishing, and everyday drivers are left with fewer and fewer reasonable choices. But what if the solution didn't come from Detroit or Japan, but from the world's largest e-commerce empire? Amazon is quietly backing a new $20,000 hybrid pickup truck through a startup called Slate Auto, and it could shake the foundation of the entire industry.
This company has done a lot of really innovative things to bring the cost of manufacturing down.
In this video, we're going deep into how Slate Auto plans to deliver a compact hybrid truck at an ultra-low price, what makes it possible, and how it stacks up against traditional brands. Stick around, because by the end, you might be looking at the future of trucks. Slate Auto, Amazon's secret weapon in the truck market. Remember when you could buy a brand new truck without taking out a second mortgage? Those days seem long gone. But Slate Auto, a startup based in Troy, Michigan, is betting it can bring that era back. Backed by nearly $100 million in funding, and Amazon founder Jeff Bezos among its investors.
We already had the money we needed, so we just needed to continue to progress. We always had positive gross margins. It's a fixed cost business, and so what I could see is that from the internal metrics is that at a certain volume level, that we would cover our fixed costs and the company would be profitable.
Slate Auto isn't just another vaporware EV startup. Founded in 2022, the company has already recruited nearly 500 employees, many of whom are veterans from major automakers like Ford, GM, Tesla, and Ram. This isn't just a startup with ideas, it's a startup with muscle. Compact, minimalist, and built for real life. Recent leaked images of the Slate truck show something refreshing: a compact two-door pickup with a boxy, functional design. It's a clear departure from today's oversized trucks, which often prioritize image over practicality. The truck appears smaller than a Ford Ranger, bringing it closer in spirit to classic compact trucks from decades ago. With a 5.5 to 6-foot bed and clean, simple lines, the Slate truck feels intentionally minimal, not flashy, but approachable. And that's the point.
So here you can kind of see all the different type of options that you can configure in the configurator. We just spent in time with the configurator, and they give you these ideas that you can pick from, and it has different parts on it, like it has these covers and different styles. You can get the SUV version.
In a world of extreme Cybertrucks and bloated luxury pickups, Slate is going back to basics. Hybrid power for the people. While rumors initially hinted at a fully electric truck, insiders now confirm the Slate pickup will be hybrid-powered. The system pairs a small gasoline engine with an electric motor to provide both efficiency and practicality. This approach helps keep costs down, eliminates range anxiety, and allows refueling at any gas station, key for a wide demographic. Estimates suggest the truck could achieve over 40 miles per gallon in city driving. That would make it the most fuel-efficient pickup on the market, by far. And because it doesn't rely on EV infrastructure, it's accessible to rural buyers and fleet operators across the country. Built in America, ready to scale. Slate Auto plans to manufacture the truck in Indiana, a state already rich in automotive infrastructure. This strategic location allows for faster distribution and potential integration with Amazon's logistics network. That's key, because Amazon's real advantage isn't just money, it's infrastructure. Imagine your new truck being shipped straight from a distribution center, or even serviced at an Amazon facility. This approach could eliminate some of the biggest challenges facing new automakers: distribution, logistics, and service. Why the market is ready. The Ford Maverick proved it. The market is starving for small, affordable trucks. The Maverick Hybrid sells out constantly, even with a price tag over $25,000. Now imagine a competitor offering similar utility for $5,000 less. This isn't just about price. It's about a massive shift in what buyers want. Many don't need a 3-ton monster. They need something they can park in a city, drive economically, and use for weekend jobs or daily tasks. Fleet managers, small businesses, and first-time truck buyers could all benefit from a more practical, affordable option. Slate Auto is tapping directly into that unmet demand. A $20,000 truck in 2025? Believe it. Let's be honest. Many automakers have made bold promises about cheap EVs and compact trucks, only to raise prices later or cancel projects altogether. But Slate Auto seems different. The rumored $20,000 price tag is made possible by smart design choices.
This is more affordable than basically any other EV out there. The Slate truck will be built at a factory somewhere in the Midwest. They're not talking about that yet either. And production starts in late 2026. By the time things are up and running in 2027 or 2028, Slate expects to be making about 150,000 of these a year.
Hybrid instead of full EV keeps battery costs low. Shared components reduce production complexity. Boxy design allows for more cost-effective manufacturing. Amazon distribution may reduce dealership costs. All signs point to a realistic approach rather than vaporware hype. And with Amazon possibly placing early fleet orders, Slate could hit production with real volume, something most startups never achieve. Could this be Amazon's Trojan horse? Here's the twist. What if this isn't just a truck? What if it's Amazon's first step into a new market entirely? These trucks could become part of Amazon's delivery fleet. Integration with Alexa, Prime services, or Ring cameras is possible. Amazon might offer vehicle maintenance subscriptions, extended warranties, or insurance. Amazon already disrupted retail, logistics, and cloud computing. Vehicles might be next. Challenges ahead. No company launches a vehicle without risk. Slate Auto still has to. Pass federal safety regulations, build production-ready prototypes, establish service networks, win consumer trust. And the two-door format may limit appeal in a market dominated by four-door trucks. But if Slate succeeds, a larger version could follow. Still, for under $20,000, many buyers might be willing to trade rear seats for reliability, efficiency, and affordability. The truck market just got interesting. Slate Auto's hybrid pickup, backed by Amazon, could reset expectations for what a modern truck should be. Simple, affordable, practical, and for the first time in a long time, within reach. If Slate delivers on its promises, this could be the beginning of a seismic shift in automotive trends. Just like Amazon transformed how we shop, it might soon change how we drive. Want to see more affordable trucks changing the industry? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart car insights that help you navigate the road ahead.